Hey, are you? Hey. Hey. Oh, you're still breathing.
An American 1%er outlaw motorcycle club member was stopped by police for excessively speeding. What should have been a routine traffic stop escalated quickly when the officer asked him to step off the bike. What happened next was all caught on police body cam.
Hello, sir. Hi, my name is Trooper Hadley with the State Police. Hey, I'm stopping you. I had you going about 76 when you passed
70?
me.
I was doing 60.
No, I had you 76.
Are you shitting me?
No, I'm not. Do you have your driver's license registration with you? Do you have any weapons on you?
Nope.
Miss, do you have an ID on you?
She doesn't need to.
I'm just asking.
Not done shit this
Go ahead and
up.
hand me your ID, please, or your license. Besides that knife, do you have any weapons on you?
No, that's the only thing I have on me.
Okay.
You guys been busy tonight?
Yeah, a little bit. You know, it's a little bit chilly out, but yeah, I mean, it's kind of a Monday night and it's relatively nice, so yeah, we've been a little bit busy, but...
Here's an old one.
Okay.
I just renewed it. They said it should come across.
Okay. Yeah, this one is showing expired back in January. Do you have a more current one?
I have a valid one. matter of fact, I put the stickers in my mailbox.
Okay, you just don't have it with you in your saddlebag or anything?
I don't have it. No, I don't.
You don't have it? Okay. Alrighty, give me just a second.
I do have it though. I swear.
Okay. Alright. Where'd you guys say you were coming from again?
We're going to my house right here.
I know, where are you coming from?
East side.
We're out on the east side, whereabouts? I'm sorry?
Riding.
I'm sorry?
Not riding.
Oh, just start riding? Okay, alright. Hey, what's up, Blair?
What's up, homie?
Congratulations, man.
Thanks, buddy.
This guy's an Iron Horseman. Okay, we've been watching these guys pretty hardcore. He's the president of the Iron Horseman gang down here. He also has a big old knife on his hip. He says that's the only weapon he has on him. He's suspended prior. Okay, she is valid, but she does have a motorcycle permit. So I'm not really going to tow this thing, but it's possible he might have some dope either on him or in the saddlebags. I haven't asked about consent yet. I'm going to go do that here in just a minute.
Okay.
And then we'll go do that.
Yeah, sounds good. The only thing is if you're gonna tow it, just tow it. If I run him and he doesn't alert, then
Yeah.
if you tow it, that's bad. But it's up to you.
It's not looking like I'm going to be able to tow it, only because she is valid with a motorcycle permit.
Oh, she does have a motorcycle
She does.
permit. Okay,
He
I
does.
thought you said she didn't.
Yeah,
Okay.
she does.
All right.
So that's
Okay.
the only reason why
Okay.
not.
All right.
So let me go ask him real quick.
Okay.
I am going to take the knife off him. I want to pat him down. I'm probably not going to hook him.
Okay.
Because I don't plan on arresting him if all goes well. So we'll
Yeah.
just see what happens.
His name is David.
Hey, David.
I'm gonna find it here on my phone. I got
Okay.
where I paid for it a few years.
Okay. Hey, David, real quick. You mind stepping off the bike for a second? You mind stepping off the bike for a second? I'll explain in a minute. I'm going to pull this knife off of you, okay? I'm going to pull the knife off. Stop!
Get on the ground now!
You're going to get tased! You're going to get tased! No effect! Evansville, I got one running.
Where's your fucking ass? Get on the ground!
Watch out for that knife! Watch out for the knife! Watch out for the knife! Watch out for the knife! Stop! Evansville, we're fighting.
His hand.
We need more cars.
Get his hand.
I got his knife. Hold on, I got his knife. Ah. Stop it. Good. Good. Stop. Resist. Ah. Can you hold my body camera? Thanks.
Yeah.
Good shit, Hat.
That's why I called you. I knew he had it. I knew he had it.
You may inventory the bike.
I haven't inventoried it yet.
I knew what I did is over here.
can,
Mints were not going to be
want.
good.
Thanks, buddy.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's the president of the Iron Horsemen's right there.
That is.
Yeah, he's the president.
Sees that?
What's that?
You got a phone?
Yeah, it's right here.
Yeah, definitely go with it.
Hey, are you? Hey. Hey. Oh, you're still breathing.
Sending body work down in 30 seconds.
Do you want the bag with it, or
Yeah, just put everything in that bag, man.
Take anything?
Body work
do you want that in it too?
5 seconds.
Yeah, that's fine.
Sorry.
Hey, did you down stuff?
Sending body work down in 20 seconds.
What's up, Brad?
Hey.
Body work down cancel.
Hey, man. Hey, can you go make sure my car is secured? I think I left the window down here.
Get him in the recovery position. Get this one knee up. Is he out? What's going on? Is he breathing? Is it labor breathing? What's going on? Just the weed. Everything off this. What?
He's got his tongue out. Like,
All right. You want AMR?
Yeah, I called him en route.
They started.
I called him en route for tasing, but they might want to step it up.
I've got fire in route.
It's probably not working.
What? You got Narcan or you want me to get some?
He's reaching for my belt.
He tried to bite my fucking
You can
hand.
hear it on
Did he?
Bodycam. I'm telling him to stop reaching
Yeah.
for it.
I felt him reach for mine.
I was grabbing his arm and he was trying to bite my hand.
Only thing he's okay is
I checked the tops of him. I have not pulled his boots off and checked them. As much as we found on him, you might want to check them off. Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
What is that shit?
Do I? Okay.
I'm gonna reach up there. Start, sir.
Hey man.
Yeah, please.
No.
He was just mad about his hand, so.
all right. Picking him up.
Yeah.
Get that.
Sorry, buddy.
It's not supposed to be comfortable.
Well, I don't think the taser went in. I think it hit left.
No, it hit his vest. It hit his leather vest.
Yeah, that's my bad. Yeah, that's my bad. Sit up. Just sit up. Feet flat. Feet flat. Come on, bud. Sit up. 3, 2, 1. Sit up.
After being taken to the hospital for a medical check, he complained that the officer had been hiding to catch him speeding.
I can't do
Well, when you start hiding to protect and to serve, and that's fucked up.
Well, part of my job as a state trooper is to stop speeders.
But you got to have lights on. You can't sit in the dark.
Well,
That's your, you know it is. You know I'm right.
no, I don't know you're right.
It is right.
Okay. Well, don't speed.
I wasn't speeding. I was going 62.
62. You know what the speed limit is on the Lloyd Expressway?
60.
It's 50. So you just admitted to me that you were speeding.
A few days later, the officer followed up and spoke with him regarding suspected intent to distribute drugs.
Hey, happy?
We're going to go right here?
Right here.
Like you go ahead and have a seat, that's fine.
We can stay right here.
Hey, Happy, how you doing, man? Doing all right? Me being able to move around a little bit better since last time. Me too. I'm gonna go ahead and read you something just because you're obviously in jail right now, okay? But you do have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court. If you're documentary and have heard present before any question, if you can afford to hire an attorney, we'll be fine representing you for any question upon your request. You can decide to exercise these rights at any time, not answer any questions or making statements. Do you understand the rights I've read to you?
Yes.
Okay. With these rights in mind, do you wish to speak with me?
About what?
Do you wish to speak with me, or I just need a yes or no before I can ask you? I'm sorry?
Yeah.
Yes, okay. Well, so Monday night, we had when we arrested you, okay, we found some methamphetamine on you, okay, we field tested it for meth, okay, we know what it is. My question is, what was your intent with that methamphetamine?
That's what I use.
Okay. Okay, how often do you sell? You don't sell? Okay. Do you know about how much that meth weighed, about how much it was, if you had to guess?
About 25, 30 grams.
Okay, yeah, you're right on about 28, give or take. But you're telling me that you only use that, but you don't sell.
I get it for so much cheaper when I buy it at a larger amount.
Okay, kind of you buy it in bulk, okay.
$300. I could pay $250, $300 for an ounce.
Sure, gotcha. Did you know that it would also have fentanyl in it?
No, I do not.
No, okay. Who you usually buy your dope from? Who you buying your dope from? Is it local? You don't know that? You're not going to tell me?
I refuse to answer that question.
Okay, fair enough. Alright. The young lady you were with, what's your relationship with her? What's her name? Angela? Is that her name, Angela?
I guess.
Okay. What's your guys' relationship?
Friends.
Just friends? You guys aren't dating or anything? Okay. How long have you been a member of your motorcycle club? How many years?
Refuse to answer that question.
Okay. How many members of your club are here in Evansville?
I refuse to answer that question.
Okay. And you said you still live off Ravenswood, right?
Yes.
Okay. If I wanted to go through your cell phone, would you let me? If I asked for your PIN code for your phone, would you give it to me? No? Okay. Is there anything you want to tell me during this interview? Anything you just want to say, get off your chest, vent about anything? No? Okay. Is there anything I can do for you while I'm here?
You open the door and let me out.
I'm sorry?
You can open the doors and let me out.
That's not my call, Happy, even if that's not my call, okay? Right now, the prosecutor has accepted some of the charges and they're going to go from there. So basically now it's just a waiting game. As far as I understand, though, you do have a bond. I believe it's in the nature of $20,000 or something is what they told me, okay? If there's nothing more you want to offer me, this basically completes the interview, okay? Is that okay?
What?
That completes the interview if you don't have anything else to offer me.
What?
That completes the interview if you don't have anything else, okay? Alright, yep, they're good to go. Thanks, Happy. Thanks for your time. Hey, Happy, one last question. What's that tattoo on the side of your neck mean?
It's a diamond.
Just a diamond? 1%er doesn't mean anything? Okay, thanks.
Authorities charged him with possession of methamphetamine and resisting law enforcement. If you found this video informative, make sure to like, comment your thoughts below, and subscribe for more real police body cam footage and true crime content.